In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly navigate to a specific page in your Microsoft Word document using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is a great tip for those times when you're dealing with a long document and need to jump around efficiently without having to scroll endlessly. Let's dive right in and see how this is done. First, ensure that you have your Microsoft Word document open. It doesn't matter whether it's a lengthy report, a thesis, or just a draft you're working on. Once your document is open and ready, the first thing you'll want to do is press the combination of the Ctrl key and the G key on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut is particularly handy because it bypasses several steps and takes you directly to the tool you'll need. When you press Ctrl and G together, something known as the Find and Replace dialog box will pop up on your screen, and it will conveniently have the Go To tab pre-selected for you. This tab is your gateway to jumping to different parts of your document with ease. You'll notice a field labeled Enter Page Number within this dialog box. This is where you'll input the specific page number to which you want to navigate. Simply type in the number of the page you're aiming for, without any additional formatting or symbols. After that, you have two options to proceed. You can either click on the Go To button within the dialog box using your mouse, or for those of you who prefer to keep both hands on the keyboard, you can simply press the Enter key. Both actions will yield the same result. In a blink, Word will transport you directly to the page number you've entered. It's important to note here that this function isn't just limited to pages. The Go To feature can be used for several elements within your document, like sections, lines, or even specific bookmarks, should you need it for more advanced navigation in the future. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can now maneuver through your lengthy Word documents much more efficiently. Make sure to practice this a few times so it becomes second nature. This method not only saves you time, but also helps keep your focus on the task at hand, minimizing interruptions as you move through your document. I hope you find this tip useful in managing and navigating your Word files. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification, and thank you for watching.